Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the DTC P0741, which refers to the torque converter clutch circuit performance, or stuck off. Affecting models from 2016 to 2021, this DTC indicates an issue within the torque converter clutch system. The torque converter clutch plays an essential role in enhancing the vehicle's power transfer efficiency by locking the torque converter during steady driving conditions. It does so by controlling hydraulic pressure, which must be balanced between internal pressure and back pressure. Understanding this fault is crucial for maintaining optimal transmission performance and ensuring the vehicle operates safely. With this guide, we aim to provide a thorough troubleshooting approach. The torque converter clutch is a critical component in the vehicle's transmission system. Positioned within the torque converter, it controls the hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage power transfer from the engine to the transmission. When functioning properly, the clutch enhances fuel efficiency by locking the engine and transmission together, reducing slip. The torque converter's operational dynamics depend on various components, including shift solenoid valve B and the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, which work to adjust internal and back pressure. The transmission control module, TCM, is responsible for sending signals to these valves, effectively managing the flow of transmission fluid. Failure in these components can lead to inefficient power transfer and ultimately trigger the DTC P0741. Several factors can trigger the DTC P0741, leading to torque converter clutch issues. A primary cause is torque converter clutch failure, which could occur due to wear and tear or mechanical malfunction. The CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve being stuck off prevents the proper application of hydraulic pressure needed for clutch engagement. Similarly, if shift solenoid valve B is stuck, it inhibits fluid flow essential for optimal clutch operation. The LC shift valve or the LC control valve can also become stuck, affecting overall vehicle dynamics. Each of these possible causes indicates a need for inspection and potential replacement to restore functionality. When DTC P0741 is present, various symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's performance. One of the most immediate indicators is that the malfunction indicator light MIL illuminates, alerting the driver to an engine issue. Additionally, the shift position indicator will blink, indicating that the transmission might be experiencing problems with its shift functions. Drivers may also experience steering difficulties or unusual engine behavior when accelerating or decelerating, pointing to the underlying torque converter clutch issue. Monitoring these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair to prevent further transmission damage. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0741 involves turning the vehicle to the off-lock position. This action ensures that the electrical system is reset, preparing the vehicle for diagnostic processes. Following this, you will start the engine, allowing the system to engage and observe initial readings. The next significant action is to shift the vehicle from the neutral N position to the drive D position while pressing the brake pedal. This action enables the transmission to attempt normal operation, while the TCM monitors for any faults related to the torque converter clutch engagement mechanism. Take note of any abnormal behavior during these steps, as they might indicate deeper issues. In the second step, the vehicle must be driven at a steady speed of 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, for at least 1 minute. This specific speed allows for the TCM to monitor the torque converter's performance and the clutch engagement under standard conditions. While driving, it is critical to observe the vehicle's performance closely, paying attention to any hesitations, shifting irregularities, or abnormal noises. This test is essential as it provides data regarding the operation of the torque converter clutch and checks for the slip ratio between engine speed and input shaft speed. This data will further assist in diagnosing if the fault is consistent or intermittent. After maintaining the specified speed, the next step involves slowing down and bringing the vehicle to a complete stop. Once stopped, shift the vehicle back to the off lock position. This step is crucial, as it allows the TCM to reset and monitor for any persistent issues after the initial driving cycle. It is equally important to repeat the driving pattern steps from 1 to 4. Performing this repeated cycle further confirms whether any inconsistencies persist and allows for a more comprehensive evaluation of the system performance. Observe for any return of symptoms, including any illumination of the MIL or blinking shift indicators. And after performing the necessary repairs and confirming the function of the torque converter clutch system, it is imperative to verify that all issues have been resolved. Begin this process by using a diagnostic scanner to clear the DTC from the system memory. Following this, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions, including both city and highway driving, to ensure that the system operates correctly across different scenarios. Pay particular attention to the responsiveness of the clutch, as well as monitoring the MIL and shift position indicator for any signs of recurring faults. Successful completion of these steps indicates a successful repair, ensuring that the vehicle is safe and operational. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0741, it is wise to implement regular preventive maintenance measures. Regularly check the transmission fluid levels and quality, as inadequate or contaminated fluid can lead to improper torque converter clutch function. Monitoring the performance of the clutch during routine inspections can highlight potential issues before they become significant problems. Keeping the transmission system clean and well lubricated helps maintain optimal performance and longevity. Advise keeping an eye on the vehicle's performance metrics, such as engine speed and vehicle speed, which can indicate slipping or other related problems early on. In conclusion, understanding the torque converter's function and its components is integral to diagnosing and resolving DTC P0741 effectively. Recognizing the symptoms and possible causes allows for timely intervention, minimizing potential damage to the vehicle's transmission system. Performing systematic troubleshooting steps, such as the ones outlined, enables a structured approach to identifying and fixing the issue. Regular monitoring and preventive maintenance practices are essential to sustain vehicle performance over time. By following these guidelines, owners can ensure a smoother driving experience and prolong the life of their Honda Civics transmission components. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.